In this video, we'll walk through how to use the bulk barcode and GS1 Digital Link label generator. It's a simple way to create and print labels in bulk. You'll see two main options: barcode generator and GS1 Digital Link generator. Both let you design and print barcodes, where the GS1 option adds support for the new 2D smart labels that connect to online product data. First, choose your label template. You can enter an Avery template number or select one from the drop-down list. Templates are available in both A4 and US letter sizes, so they'll match most printers. Next, pick your barcode format. Options include code 128, code 39, UPC, EAN, data matrix, or QR code. Next, choose a label design. You can choose to display just the barcode itself, just the product name, the barcode number, or both name and barcode number. Adjust font size, text alignment, and label layout until it looks the way you want. The preview updates automatically, so you can always check your design before printing. When everything looks right, print directly using Avery label sheets connected to your printer. Hit print in the upper right corner, and you're all set. If you want to use these using the GS1 Digital Link generator, select between a data matrix or QR code format. When scanned, these barcodes can open a web link, such as a product page, batch record, or expiration date. You can customize the URL, overall label design, label text, and alignment, and then preview your design just like before. After, you can download templates for GS1 or standard barcodes for later printing or sharing. To save or print your designs, click the Upload CSV file section and you'll be prompted to log in. Sign up using your email or Google account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the GearChain barcode page, where you can upload your CSV file and print your labels in bulk. That's a quick overview of GearChain's bulk barcode and GS1 Digital Link generator. If you need assistance, feel free to contact our support team at support@gearchain.io.